Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasyTalk English, the channel where learning English is easy, fun, and friendly. I'm Max.
And I'm Anna. Hello, Max.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone listening today. We are really happy you're here with us.
Yes, very happy. Because today's topic is super important, and people ask this question all the time.
All over the world, every day. In school, at work, at a party, everywhere.
Exactly. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this podcast with your friends and family.
It helps us so much, and it helps other people find our lessons too.
All right, Max. Are you ready?
I am ready. So, Anna, what is our topic today?
Today's topic is Tell me about yourself.
Ah, a classic question.
Yes, one of the most common questions in English. You hear it everywhere.
New job interview.
Someone asks, Tell me about yourself.
New class?
Tell me about yourself.
Meeting someone new.
Again, tell me about yourself.
People get nervous, right?
They do, because they think, What do I say? What is the correct answer? How much should I say?
Exactly. So today we will make it simple, fun, and easy to follow.
Perfect. So, Max, should we start?
Let's do it. Who goes first?
How about you start? Max, tell me about yourself.
Okay. My turn first. Let's begin with the basics, the simple things.
All right. First question. What is your name?
My name is Max. M-A-X.
Nice to meet you, Max.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. Even though we've known each other for a long time.
Yes, but it's good practice. Okay, next question. Where are you from?
Good question. I am from Australia.
Australia. Beautiful place. I am from Brazil.
Also beautiful. Do you live in a big city?
Yes, very big. Busy, loud, lots of people, lots of traffic, but I love it.
I can imagine. I live in a small town. Very quiet, very peaceful.
A big city and a small town. Very different lifestyles.
Very true. Okay, next question. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It's not big, not small, just right for me. And you?
I live in a small house. It has a little garden, and I enjoy it a lot.
A garden! That sounds lovely.
It is. So now we have your name, where you're from, and where you live. What's next?
Age? If you want to say it, of course.
Sure, I'm 29 years old.
29. Nice. I am 26 years old.
A great age, Anna.
I think so too. Now, the big question. Max, what do you do?
I am an English teacher, and I love my job.
And you are a teacher here on EasyTalk English.
Exactly. What about you, Anna? What do you do?
I am a designer. I create digital art and illustrations.
That fits you perfectly. You're very creative.
Thank you. I enjoy it a lot.
So we have name, place, age, job. What else?
Family. Always a great topic.
Yes. So do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. His name is Lucas. He is older than me.
Older brother. Nice. What does he do?
He works with computers. He loves technology.
Very cool. I have one sister. Her name is Mia. She is younger than me.
Younger sister. Nice. What does she do?
She studies music. She plays the guitar. She studies music. She plays the guitar.
Wow. Musician. Very talented.
Yes, she is. My family loves music.
My family is creative too. My mother is a baker. She makes cakes and pastries.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
It is, and my father is a bus driver.
A very important job.
Yes, he works hard every day.
Let's talk about pets. Always fun.
Yes, I love this part. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. I have a dog. His name is Milo.
A dog. What does he look like?
He is small, brown, and very energetic. He runs everywhere.
Cute. I have a pet too. A cat. Her name is Bella.
A cat? Very nice.
Now let's talk about favorite things. This is fun and helps people learn more about you.
Okay, start with food.
All right, Max, what is your favorite food?
Difficult. But I think my favorite food is sushi.
Sushi. Nice. I love sushi too. My favorite food is pasta.
Pasta is always good. Next, favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow. Warm and happy.
Mine is blue, calm and peaceful.
Blue and yellow. Nice combination.
Next, favorite animal?
Easy. Cats.
Dogs for me.
We balance each other.
Now, hobbies. What do you do for fun?
I like drawing, reading, and watching movies.
Nice. What kind of movies?
Animated movies. They're creative and beautiful.
I agree. I love animated movies too. I also enjoy playing soccer and listening to music.
What kind of music?
Old rock music. Classic rock.
Very cool. Now, things we don't like.
Ooh, interesting. Okay, a food I don't like, olives.
Really? I like olives.
We are different again. What food do you not like?
Very spicy food. Too hot.
Same. A little spice is okay, but very spicy? No thanks.
And an activity I don't like is waking up very early.
I understand. I don't like waiting in long lines.
No one likes that.
So let's summarize. If someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," you can talk about your name, where you're from, where you live, your age, your job, your family, your pets, your hobbies, your likes, your dislikes.
Exactly. But you don't need to say everything. You choose what fits the situation.
If you're in a class, you can say, "Hi, my name is Max. I'm from Australia. I'm an English teacher."
If you're at a party, you can say, "Hi, I'm Anna. I love art and movies."
Simple, friendly, natural.
And remember, a smile helps a lot.
Always, a smile makes everything easier.
Wow, Max, this was a great conversation.
I agree. I learned that you are a designer who loves pasta, yellow, and cats.
And I learned that you are a teacher who loves sushi, blue, and your dog Milo.
I hope our listeners learned a lot today, too.
Yes, and we want you to practice now.
In the comments, write 1 or 2 sentences. My name is, and then. I am from, and then. My favorite food is, and then. I like, and then. Anything. Just practice.
And please, before you go, subscribe, like, and share this episode. It really helps our channel grow.
We want to help as many English learners as possible.
Thank you all for listening today.
Take care, stay safe, and keep practicing English. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.